actually we just arrived home from a little shopping trip. We actually went to Lidl for some groceries and also to Action to buy some boxes for storage and organization and things like that. So, and obviously a stickers for Vanessa because she's obsessed. And yeah, I'm gonna just unpack everything and we're gonna go bobsliding, which is amazing because the snow is here and Vanessa loves bobsliding, so we'll go for a little bit. And tomorrow we will go to the shopping center to visit a little like animal exhibition, so we'll see how she will like it. And yeah, it's just gonna be a nice weekend. Yesterday it was actually a Valentine's Day, which I have a separate video on, and yeah, so gonna just continue filming and gonna just unpack everything. Good morning guys, it's another day, and actually yesterday you saw me making hot raspberries, which I pretty much made at home for the first time, but I just realized it's super simple. I had it sometimes in the restaurants or cafe, and basically yesterday was the first time I tried it at home, but it's super simple and super yummy. I just love it. Basically all you're gonna need for that is just some frozen raspberries. Obviously you can use fresh ones as well, but it's the middle of February, so we don't have any. So we just bought a frozen ones. Then you're gonna need some sugar. I used brown sugar and some vanilla ice cream. That's pretty much all. Basically you need to cook your raspberries with a little bit of brown sugar, basically until it's soft and melted and mashed very much. And then you're gonna basically just fulfill your glass with a layer of ice cream, then layer of raspberries, ice cream, raspberries, ice cream, raspberries, and it's super yummy. you basically need to try it if you love something sweet and some like vanilla raspberry dessert. Super yummy. So yeah, it's actually really cold outside today. It's like -6 degrees and basically it's sunny outside, so we'll see if we're gonna go outside for a little walk or not. But at the moment I just pretty much want to stay at home and have my coffee, because I just had a matcha but haven't had coffee yet. So gonna have that and watch Alfide's vlog, because he actually posted a first vlog of 2025. And then we'll just play with Vanessa and we'll see what we're gonna do, probably cook some lunch. Yeah, so gonna basically take you with me to our few days of our lives, and yeah, pretty much looking forward to have a spring days, because last year this time it was pretty much spring, and at the moment there's snow outside, even though it's melting down because of the sun, but it's really cold. And it used to be really windy as well, so not really fun of winter days. And basically I'm just really looking forward to have some spring days as well, and then obviously summer, because that's my favorite. Also, we have tried these frappe McKennedy with cinnamon flavor for the first time, and it's super yummy, even though it's super sweet, which I'm not really a fan of. But I just pretty much added much more milk and it was okay. Basically, I'm gonna show you. You have these little packages and you just put it into your glass and add a milk. That's pretty much all. You're gonna mix it and it's done. So these ones are actually from Lidl, and it was there pretty much the last week, because we actually bought it on Saturday. So but basically if they have any left, they basically keep it for a few more days, obviously. So if you can find it, try it. If you love your frappe, they actually do have this cinnamon flavor and also a dark chocolate one. I just basically tried this one. So actually one thing I haven't tried yet is a hummus. So gonna try this one. It's actually with tomatoes and basil, and actually I'm a vegetarian, so it's harder for me to get some protein, and this actually contains lots of protein, so if I'm going to like it, it's gonna be really good for my body. Basically this is how it looks like, and I wasn't really sure what to eat it with, so I just googled and saw some YouTube videos, and basically I liked the version with some baked vegetables, so I'm gonna make it today for dinner, and we are going to have this hummus as a dip. So I'm gonna let you know how I like it. Hope I will, because it actually looks really nice. So yeah, we'll see. So this is our dinner. Obviously we need to bake it. Vanessa actually helped me and she's talking a bit louder now, but Obviously we'll bake it. Mama, we'll bake it, but I'm just going to leave it in the oven. So it's going to be pretty much ready when Vojta will arrive back home from work. And there's actually potatoes, Brussels sprouts, some carrots, broccoli, zucchini, obviously salt, pepper, some herbs, and olive oil. So yeah, and gonna serve it with the hummus. Good morning, guys. It's another day, and actually I'm just about to do my makeup. So I already used eyelash curler. This one is from a brand called Parsa, and it's from the drugstore. And then I'm just using my mascara. It's this one. This is how the brush looks like. It's Miss Porty Fabulous Last Stretch It, also from DM Drugstore, and again from DM Drugstore, this Essence black pencil to frame my eyes. That's pretty much all I use. So actually this morning haven't started the best because I basically woke up with a massive headache and had to take my medicine because it was really bad. I had the massive headache even when I was laying down, which is crazy, and I just hate when you wake up and already have your headache. So yeah, to be honest, it's much better at the moment after the medicine, so I'm really thankful for that. And actually we are about to go for a little walk. Having my coffee right here, already had my matcha, and we need to pick up some packages. I actually ordered some protein drinks because as I mentioned yesterday, I do have a problem to basically have enough protein in my food, as I'm a vegetarian. So I just want to make my diet a little bit better and to have more protein. Basically about the hummus yesterday, it was really yummy. So we actually had the one with tomatoes and basil, and they had many other different ones, so we're gonna try another one as well, but it was really yummy. So need to try some more. And about the protein drinks, actually I've ordered some really nice flavors, like white chocolate and strawberry, salted caramel, peanut butter, strawberries, banana, kiwi and banana. So yeah, really looking forward to it, and I'm gonna show you when we will basically pick up it. So it's actually really cold outside. It's minus 0.5 degrees outside, but it's at least sun and it's not windy, which should mean it shouldn't be that bad. I was actually laying there in Vanessa's bed. you may notice that we had some pillows and blanket and basically some toys even prepared in that bed for Vanessa. If she basically just wants to lay there, she was laying there sometimes during the day just to relax. She actually never slept there yet. At the moment she mostly sleeps with us, and sometimes in her little crib, which is by our bed, but she doesn't really want to sleep here alone, which I totally get. But she's playing here at least, and we basically wanted to have it like prepared for her and to make it cozy for her to even like relax. But hey baby. But when I was peeing on it, so we just realized that she can't really stand if there's some pillows, blankets and things like that. Don't really know why. Hopefully it will change, because obviously Vanessa will sleep there someday. And so far blankets and pillows and everything is in the wardrobe. And Vanessa actually has there just a mattress cover, which is totally fine, and a sheet, which is totally fine with Lila as well. She just hates to have it like prepared for sleeping. I don't know why. So hopefully it will be okay when Vanessa will decide to sleep here. But at the moment she basically just stands there. She mostly stands right there and watch from the window. And Lila basically likes to lie there and sleep there during the day. During the night she sleeps with us in our bed as well, so there's 4 of us basically. Nearly done. I actually do have some acne scars at the moment, so may cover it a little bit. Hey baby. And she also loves those bracelets. She just got it on Saturday, I believe, and she was just obsessed with some bracelets, but it was all too big for her. Obviously she has a little hand and it was all too big, so we bought some for kids, and there's actually 3, and this one has a unicorn as well, which she loves. She's obsessed with unicorns and some Disney characters, mostly like Disney princesses. Shan from Tangled, she loves him, and also Winnie the Pooh, obviously. That's one of her favorite of all the time. We'll go for a walk, right? Baby, I need to see myself. I need to see myself. Also, if you notice that there's some different angle than usual, I just have a little selfie stick with a tripod. Yeah. And I just bought it on Saturday, and so I'm just using it for the first time at the moment. So yeah, it's basically much more comfortable. have it, and I just basically wanted something to put my mobile on when I'm filming, especially when I'm filming, maybe when I'm filming some when I'm filming some like cooking and things like that, because obviously it's better to have some different angles than just laying on the counter. So yeah, makeup done. I'm gonna do my hair and obviously change my outfit and get something for breakfast, because Vanessa already had her breakfast and I didn't have any. Right? No. And then we're gonna go for a walk. Be careful. Be careful. Can you see yourself? Can you see yourself? Yeah. It's your TV. There's actually a mirror behind you, so we can see ourselves right there as well. No, don't touch it. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Love you. Careful. Careful. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay, so just gonna do my hairstyle, and I'm gonna take you with us for a little winter walk. So we are pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna just put this little princess in the house as well. And she's going to be in this stroller. Yeah. Careful. So we are just back home from our walk, and it's such a lovely day outside, to be honest. It's just about like 4 degrees, but it's sunny and it's not windy at all, so it was just amazing walk. We were outside for over like 2 hours, and Vanessa actually took a nap as well, and we went to Lidl. Basically I bought some more hummus there because I really liked it. So yesterday we had tomato and basil one, and I bought a fried onion one, chili one, and carrot with coriander. So gonna try it with some more fruit, and also some nuts, because they had a little packages of cashew and almonds there, and I just wanted to try because I love nuts, and basically sometimes you just want to eat some nuts, but you don't really want to open a large package. So I tried this one, Oh, there's somebody walking there, and Lily was just running there. So yeah, and I wanted to show you the proteins which I ordered from Allegro. Basically I wanted to try some different flavors, so I have a little packages, and that's actually how it looks like. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So the first one is, where is it? Peanut butter and banana. Really excited about it. I do actually love peanut butter recently a lot. So yeah. This one is some like vitamin drink which you add to your water, so I wanted to try it. It was pretty much cheap. It's with orange flavor, and it's for 1.5 liter. So I'm gonna try it. And then more proteins. So this one is salted caramel. Love salted caramel a lot. There's just still somebody walking. Vanilla berry flavored. Excited about it. Coconut. Peanut butter. Iced coffee. Pistachio and white chocolate. Then chocolate hazelnut. Caramel cappuccino. Kiwi and banana. Banana. There's 3 more. Strawberry white chocolate. Lemon cheesecake. Really excited about it. And cookies and cream. So yeah, gonna probably try one of those at the moment because I'm really excited about it. I actually did have some big portion of protein, but it was before I owned the milk blender from IKEA, which I use for matcha as well, and basically for any like protein drinks. And if you mix it just with your spoon, it doesn't really work. So the milk blender is basically a life changer. So yeah, gonna try. I don't really know which one. We'll see. But yeah, that's my order. And yeah, gonna just have another cup of coffee because I do have headache again, like massive headache. Took another pill and just need some more coffee probably. So gonna have that and then some of the protein drinks. So just having my coffee, and actually I'm about to make myself a protein drink. So from the package I choose this one, which is cookies and cream. So I'm gonna try it. You are actually supposed to put all of these into a water and mix it in a shaker. So I'm gonna do it different. Basically what I'm going to do is use just a little bit of this because it would be too much, and I'm not going to use shaker but just a glass, and gonna use a milk instead of water. So it's gonna be a little bit different, but yeah, hopefully it will taste good. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. So this one is actually Biotech USA. It's 100% pure whey protein drink powder with concentrate isolate glutamine, BCCs, and bromelain. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare it. Good morning guys, so it's actually another day and it's sunny again. To be honest, the sun woke up me today at like 7:30. So yeah, we are just about to go for a little walk. My headache was really bad yesterday, and during the night I had to take 2 more pills. Plus today it's still not like 100%, but it's much better. At the moment it's nearly gone. I do have those little plasters which are some herbal ones, and it should basically help you with your headaches. So I do have it. It's almost non-visible, so I'm perfectly fine with it. I'm gonna go outside with it as well. So as I mentioned, it's super nice sunny day again, even though it was like -5 degrees in the morning, and at the moment it's around like 3 degrees plus, but which means it's actually cold. But the sun, at least yesterday, it was just amazing weather, even though it was around like 4 probably, but the sun makes a huge difference. So yeah, we're just gonna go and I'm gonna film a little bit from our walk probably. Don't know if Vanessa will fall asleep in the stroller because hey, because she was actually very tired and had her milk, right? Right. And we are just about to go for a little walk. Yeah. Wanna go? Be careful. Be careful. So I'm currently here with my cup of coffee, and basically Vanessa fell asleep outside for like an hour. So I was just walking, and for the first time in such a long time I was listening to some music. And when she woke up, we basically went home. Yeah. And currently I'm about to try another protein drink. Yesterday we actually tried cookies and cream, and it was really yummy. To be honest, this little package should be like 1 portion, and I actually made it like for like 6 portions. So such a good deal. Weta also had one and he liked it, so I'm going to try this one today, and he will try it when he arrives back home from work. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. Yeah. We will wrap it here and see you soon in the next video. So thank you, and leave the comment down below what was your favorite part. If you have some tips for another videos, what would you like to see, just let me know. So thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.